In this tutorial, we'll be comparing Squarespace versus Shopify, specifically for dropshipping. So if you want to sell products without holding inventory using apps like Spocket, Printful, ZenDrop, Dizer, or AutoDS, and you're not sure which platform to build your store on, this is the video for you. By the end of it, you'll know which platform makes more sense for your budget, experience level, and dropshipping goals. Now let's dive in. The first thing we'll be looking at is how each platform handles dropshipping. Shopify is a dedicated e-commerce platform built to run full online stores. It has a massive app ecosystem. You'll be getting apps like Dizers, Spocket, ZenDrop, AutoDS, CJ Dropshipping, Printful, and so much more. And these apps will allow you to easily integrate products onto your store, even if you're a complete beginner and this is your first time doing anything like this online. While Squarespace, on the other hand, is mainly a website builder with the option to add an e-commerce store. So it supports dropshipping through extensions like Printful, Printify, Spocket, and a few others via Squarespace extension and API integrations. So while both platforms can do dropshipping, they are not equally optimized. When it comes down to app access and usability, I would definitely have to give Shopify the upper hand. While Squarespace, on the other hand, the way how I would recommend Squarespace when it comes onto dropshipping, let's say for example's sake, you would like to build a brand around dolphins, for example. Let's say you're a big fan of dolphins. What you could do is create a blog. You could also, if you are in another niche and you'd like to add a portfolio, you can do that. You can add that onto your Squarespace website, as it is mainly a website builder. Then after doing that, you'll be able to add a store on the side where you can redirect persons and make income on the side. So it is not mainly a platform for dropshipping, as it mostly handles or mostly offers, better yet, apps that you'll be using for print on demand. When it comes onto Shopify, on the other hand, if you're serious about e-commerce and dropshipping, this is the platform for you, as you are given access to tons of apps and tons of features that makes it easy to add products from any platform. When it comes on to dropshipping, if you're serious, Shopify is the platform for you, as not only is it easy to customize, you can actually get started for a very cheap cost. Talking about cost, let us check out the pricing. With Shopify, you'll be able to get started for as low as $1 for the first 3 months. So that means that you'll be paying $1 per month. So for the first 90 days, we'll only pay $3. Then after doing that, you can go onto their basic plan and you'll be able to pay as low as $25 per month, as you can see right here. With Squarespace, on the other hand, to access their e-commerce stores, you'll have to pay $40 per month. So not only is Shopify better when it comes onto dropshipping features and apps, but it is also better when it comes onto pricing. So this is a no-brainer. Hope you found this comparison helpful and informative. And if you'd like to sign up to Shopify, I've included links in the pinned comment and description. And thanks for watching.